Hello guys, good morning. So, welcome back to my channel. So, for today video guys, this is my job. Ayan, nag-ano kami ng tahop. Yan, one sack is 4 pesos. Yan yung trabaho namin. Tamot mo. Ang init. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng jacket because yun expected na makatulong ako dito sa pag ng tahop, pagsulod ng tahop. Yan. So ilalagay yan dito. Sa sako. Super guys, super hot weather here.
Hi guys, narahok me.
This is my sister. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.